This brand new strategy has the potential to make you big money and thousands of dollars online. You can set this up once and enjoy your passive profits again and again. You can start this with $0 because it's completely free to do, and this works in every single country in the world. If you stay until the end of this video, you will learn how you can even make more money. Before we start, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video if you love making money online, and don't forget to subscribe to the Millionaire Mindset channel with Froneman with the notifications on, and I will notify you every time I upload a brand new video that I make on how to make money online so that you can make money online as well. Congratulations to this person on the screen who won yesterday's $10 giveaway video. If you want to win another $10 giveaway, all you need to do is leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel, the notifications bell has to be on, and comment down below your favorite quote or any inspirational quote that you like. In tomorrow's video, I will show the winner's quote on the screen like I did today, and you'll win $10 cash to your PayPal or Bitcoin wallet. And don't forget to follow me over here on Instagram, or if you want to DM me and ask me any questions. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can use this tool, the same tool I used to see over $4,000 online so far with this tool. And this tutorial that I've created in today's video has been specifically designed for you to show you each and every click, each and every step that I have taken on my computer screen over here to help you replicate this so that you can make your first passive income online. So I really suggest if you want to succeed at this, follow each and every step that I'm going to show you on my screen so that you can maximize your results with this and not miss anything important. So be patient and make sure to follow every step that I show you. And this tool over here is specifically designed to help people get higher returns on their investments when it comes to making their online business. A lot of people purchase expensive tools online, such as Facebook ads, Google ads, websites that take a lot of money and time to set up. This tool has been specifically engineered to save all of that time and also all of that money that has been spent on all those tools. And now with this tool, they can create 3 full websites, sell unlimited products, and attract affiliates all without any fees at all. Included with this is free custom domains, a free branded website, and free upsells, downsells, and order bumps to sell your products, and a very powerful affiliate program that is included for free, and a one-click upsell sell product funnel also completely for free. As you can tell so far, these tools separately usually cost a lot of money. People having to go order a website, then go order a domain separately, and then they have to pay money on a third service called hosting, which just costs even more money. With this tool, it's completely free, which is why this tool has a massive return on investment for a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs that want to build their online businesses. And just to be clear, no, you do not have to buy this tool. No, we do not have to invest money into any ads, and no, we don't have to invest any money into building a website, and we don't have to invest any money into building our own business. It includes none of that. It's very unique what I'm about to show you. All you need to do is follow each and every step that I'm about to show you right now, take massive action, and you will see the results that you are looking for with this. Now you can come over to this website over here called Groovefunnels.com, which is an entire website builder, funnel builder, and e-commerce builder online that you can build in just seconds. They solve tons of various different problems for entrepreneurs online today, such as they give you free unlimited products, they build branded websites with full navigation for you that solves a big problem, custom domains if you want a professional.com domain, bandwidth and hosting comes included with Groovefunnels.com. You can sell products with one-click upsells. You can have upsells, downsells, and order bumps on your landing pages. It also includes a very powerful affiliate program which you can make money with. They also have very powerful membership site platforms, powerful email automations, and high converting funnel software, as well as sales and affiliate platforms, and a powerful video hosting platform, which is pretty much all an online entrepreneur's dream built into one box. So that is step number 1, is come over to groovefunnels.com. Make sure you read throughout this page to understand exactly how it works and what is included with this tool. Step number 2 is to scroll down all the way to the bottom of this website and make sure you search for the area that says market and click on the complete affiliate system. I'm going to open this in a new tab to show you what this looks like, which will take you to this page over here, which is a landing page where clearly the owner of Groovefunnels gives you a short introduction of their affiliate program, and this page alone will help you earn big passive income online from this. This company also rewards you on top of commissions with other various rewards as well. Even one sale gets a prize. So if you refer someone to groovepages.com, one sale is a $25 Amazon gift card. If you make 3 sales, Groovefunnels will reward you with an Amazon Fire Stick. If you get 5 sales, they'll reward you with an Apple Watch. If you get 10 or more sales, you'll get all 3 of these included in one bundle. The affiliate program is completely free to join, and you get tons of landing pages already made for you to promote Groove Pages with. Just as a thank you for joining their free affiliate program, you get tons of promotional tools. Have a look at this. You get links, stats, email swipes, blog reviews. You get a thank you ads page, a banner page, articles, social media done for you posts, video reviews, Facebook ads, and signatures as well. All you need to do is scroll up towards the top of the page again, click on the sign up quick link over here. All you need to do is, I just quickly logged out of my account, click on create your free Groovesell account over here, enter your first name, your email address, your company name, just use your personal name, your username, and then your password and password confirmation. Once that's done, sign in with your account over here, which will take you to your dashboard that looks like this. You need to open up the Groovefunnels affiliate program on the left over here, and it will take you to this page over here where you can see it says promotional tools. Over here, you can see your unique Groovefunnels affiliate link. This is the link that you need to go out there, promote, get people to click on it, and get people to order or even join the free trial of Groovefunnels for now, and you will get a commission every time you refer someone to this tool every single month passively. Over here, you can see the social media tab. I want you to click on that. Over here, you can see there's a Facebook post, Twitter, and it's designed for LinkedIn. So what we need to go and do is, the next step is now, we need to come over to YouTube, and you want to search anything that's got to do with, for example, a Facebook ads tutorial. Click on enter over here, and you want to choose any tutorial that has been recently created. I would say nothing more than 3 months old. So click on the filter option over here. Let's click on this month over here. Over here, you can see an entire brand new Facebook ads for beginners in 2021. You can see it's got 99%, only 2 dislikes. So this is obviously a very good 1-hour course that teaches you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create Facebook ads. Now, we're not going to create a Facebook ad. We're not going to create a YouTube channel. We're not posting on YouTube. This has nothing to do with YouTube. We're just using YouTube to find a free Facebook ads course. What you need to do is click on this YouTube ads tutorial. It will open up in a page like this. You can see the video starts here, and she obviously heads over to her PC. The next step is hover over to the share button over here. Click on share, and you will see a short little URL that looks like this. You need to leave this here in a new tab, or you can copy it for now. Once again, just a quick recap, go to YouTube, search for a Facebook ads tutorial, use a video that is nothing more than 3 months or younger, and then come over to the share button, get the share link of this YouTube video, and copy that to your clipboard. Once you've completed that, the next step is to come over to sniply.io, which is a tool where you can add a call to action to any website in the world. So what you can do is you can add a simple button, a simple branding overlay, or something like this over any website, including CNN, Mashable, YouTube, and use that to get tons of traffic to your affiliate link and tons of conversions. As you can see over here, you can get started completely for free. There are paid plans. You don't need to use any of these pro plans over here. Just click on the start free trial over here. Create your account by entering your full name, email, and your password. You can either sign up with Twitter or Facebook. I've already created an account, so I need to log in with my account. Once you've landed on your dashboard that looks like this, you need to come over to the top over here where it says create snip. I want you to right click, paste the YouTube URL that we have created from our Facebook ads tutorial. Click on create snip on this orange button over here. Over here at the bottom of this page, you can see an overlay that has come over this video. And I currently was promoting an affiliate product before, but obviously we're going to change that text. Get 400% more conversions with Facebook ads, button text. Click here, your button URL. You're going to come back to Groovefunnels over here. You're going to copy your affiliate link over here. You're going to come back to the link creator here. Paste your Groove Pages link and click on snip. It's now added my call to action over here that says get 400% more conversions with Facebook ads with this free YouTube tutorial over here, which is fantastic. So I can go out there offer and give this video away completely for free, which is the Sniply link. But what everybody sees and what stands out the most on this page is this call to action on the bottom left over here that shows you how you can get 400% more conversions with Facebook ads, which is then my affiliate link to Groovefunnels over here, which will give them all the details and free trainings there. You can come over to a community like reddit.com and search for Facebook ads Reddit. So for example, if I type in Facebook ads on the search bar, you can see tons of people talking about Facebook ads. So here's someone that says Facebook ads are performing horribly. What you can do is you can click on this post, you can log in and leave a comment to reply to all these people and reply to this page over here. You can mention to this person over here, you were receiving 900 leads a month for only 400 in ad spend. That seems very low. You can reply and type, hi there, this person just released this free hour-long Facebook ads course on YouTube. It recently got me about 20 to 50% revenue and profits on my investment. If you'd like that course, here's the link to that YouTube video. Then you paste your Sniply link, which is this link over here on your Snips tab, and post it on each and every post. Now, what's nice about the Sniply link, it's not going to get banned because it's a direct YouTube video. It's not some spammy link. It's not some link to a dodgy website. It's a link to YouTube, which is one of the biggest search engines and well-known websites in the world. Just to recap, come over to Reddit, search for all the Facebook ad communities on reddit.com and go and offer your free course over there. You can also come over to Facebook ads groups on Facebook.com and find different people in the Facebook ad community through Facebook. That was Facebook said a lot in one sentence, but anyways, come over down here and you can see tons of different public and private groups where you can see people, for example, Marketing Ninjas, Shopify Facebook ads community, the advertising group, Facebook ads agency scaling secrets. There's tons of Facebook ad groups that you can join. You can scroll down and the list goes on and on forever. You can go into all of these groups, mention to people and tell them you've got this free course that you recently took that got you 20 to 50% return on investment with Facebook ads. Really successful return rate. So definitely, if you want to check out that course, here's the link to that YouTube video. It's for free on YouTube. You don't have to pay for it. You're giving for free. People will really appreciate that, which is why this converts very well. Some of these groups have over hundreds of thousands of members. If just 10 people convert out of these 126,000 people, that's going to be well over $300 to $500 in commissions every single month. This group over here is 147,000. This group has 100,000, 70,000, 54,000. Click on this group, so for example, this one over here, and go and reply to all these people. So this person is giving the 3 reasons why you should never boost a post. And then you can actually comment and you can type, for example, hi there, I actually disagree. I recently took this Facebook ads course on YouTube that teaches you how to boost a post and got me over 60% return on investment. I definitely recommend giving that a watch. So you kind of want to engage with people, give your opinions. You want to seem as organic as possible. Like you saw here, I'm disagreeing with his post and giving him my solution, which will kind of in his mind tell him, all right, maybe I should go and check this out. And then he clicks on your link, he sees your call to action that says get 400% more return on investment, which entices users to go and click on your affiliate link and see more about the product that you're offering. Another powerful concept that you can go and do is run Facebook ads and drop service rare high income skills. So you can head over to a website like Fiverr where people charge only, let's say, 40 to 50 bucks to design a website. I create a done for you landing page or a Fiverr gig where I charge $300. You can run Facebook ads, all sorts of ways of making money with that, and you can keep anywhere between $200 to $400 profit per sale in your pocket, and you're not even doing any of the hard work. It's a concept called drop servicing. I've created an entire 26-minute masterclass and free training for you to go and check out. First link in the description and you'll see me over here. In this course, you currently get over $19,000 worth of bonuses, including a done-for-you drop servicing agency that personally made me $98,000 in 2020 alone. I'm giving away for free in this course. I valued this to be at about $10,000. The reason I'm giving this away for free is to give you a kickstart and a boost and make huge money with drop servicing. Everything in this course is currently going for $397 on huge special right now, because just to help out with the pandemic period. The reason all of this information is paid is because it's taken years for me to put information like this together. It's very high value and sensitive information that I personally use to generate anywhere between $15,000 and $40,000 a month. That's why I feel this information should not be on YouTube for free and rather in a private course area where only VIP members can join. If you want to check out and claim everything in this course, I suggest go over to the first link in the description, come over to this button over here, enter this code over here on the checkout, and you will claim everything deducted all the way down to $397. So without further ado, make sure to come over to the first link in the description, check out this free masterclass over here to first understand the concept, and I'll see you there.